Alright, we'll just go through here real quick. Of course, you see the granite counters. Looks like bamboo cabinets. Travertine floor throughout. Walk-in bathroom. It's nice though, it's nice and clean. So the original owner paid about 1.4, and they are renting it out short term, making about $10,000 a month. So they make between $120 and $150 a year. Two bedroom, two bath. Nice big closet. Each room has this little door. Nobody behind you. Nice big lanai. It's a little cloudy today, so the blue is not popping.